Hello everyone, are you looking for an exciting software engineer opportunity? Well, you are in a right place. In this video, I'll share details about this amazing job opening at Infosys. So let's dive in. As per the Infosys career website, here are the details about the job. Job title is Java and Spring Boot Senior Developer. Work location is Bangalore. Work experience required 3 to 5 years. Job title is Java and Spring Boot Senior Developer. Technical and professional requirements: Java, Spring Boot, microservices, JSP, JDBC, J2EE, Struts, Spring, Hibernate. Apart from that, responsibilities they mention, main key responsibilities they mention, understand architecture requirements and ensure effective design, development, validation, and support activities. Apart from that, contributing to team meetings, troubleshooting development and production problems across multiple environments and operating platforms. Apart from that, they mentioned additional responsibilities, minimum 3 years of relevant experience needed, in-depth knowledge of design issues and best practices needed, solid principles, best understanding on solid principles needed, familiar with various design and architectural patterns and software development processes needed, experience with both external and embedded databases is needed, creating database schemas that represent and support business process that is needed, implementing testing scripts, automated testing platforms, and unit test scripts needed. Apart from that, they mentioned educational requirement, MCA, MTech, Bachelor of Engineering. To apply, visit the Infosys career website or click the link in the description. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video to support us. Share it with your friends who might be interested. Subscribe for more job updates and career tips. Comment below if you have any questions and I'll be happy to help.